Today let us learn past perfect tense. First of all, we see the uses of past perfect tense. Number one, reference to an earlier past. When from a certain point in the past, a person looks back on an earlier action, we use the past perfect tense. See the example. I met my friend in 1995. I had already met his father 5 years ago. So I met my friend is already in the past tense, but an earlier action, I had already met his father 5 years ago. Another example, the whole complex was in chaos, past tense, but the police had demolished all the floors of the building. Had demolished all the floors, past perfect. Second, to distinguish between two actions in the past. That means two actions, one earlier action and one later action. When we want to emphasize that two actions did not take place simultaneously, that is, the first action or the earlier action was complete before the second one or later action. There we use the past perfect tense. Let us look at the example. The patient died, the doctor arrived. So we say the patient had died when the doctor arrived. That means the patient was already dead when the doctor arrived. Another use, some adverbs like already, ever, just, never are often used with the past perfect to emphasize the sequence of events. Sequence of events, two events. So for example, when he entered the classroom, the teacher had already left. Or when my friend reached the railway station, the train had already left. Third use, in conditional clauses. We know there are three conditional clauses, type 1, type 2 and type 3. So in type 3 we use past perfect tense. For example, if I had known you were ill, I would have come to see you. If I had known. Another, had I known the doctor was around, I should have discussed my problem with him. Had I known. Now past perfect continuous tense. Number one, time and duration. The past perfect continuous tense is used to emphasize the time as well as the duration of a continuous activity, again, which took place before a particular time in the past. An example, the president came back from Tokyo where he had been meeting other world leaders. That means the president had been meeting the world leaders over a period of time, then only he came back. Another, the doctor was very tired because he had been working all alone. He had been working. Second, drawing conclusion. That means we can draw conclusion. The past perfect continuous can be used to show the conclusion of an action based on an evidence. That means we have an evidence, so from that we draw a conclusion. So for example, Amit looked tired. So we draw a conclusion. He had been working very late at night. Another, repeated action. The past perfect continuous is used to show an action which was frequently repeated. Again, the example makes it clear. Joy was annoyed. Why? John had been calling him every day. Therefore, he was annoyed. Keeping this in mind, let us do the exercise 3 using past perfect or past perfect continuous. Number one, by the time we arrived, they had gone. had gone. Second, we had been expecting the news for some time. Had been expecting. 3. He asked me why I had left the party so early. Had left. 4. I had been saving money since Deepavali to buy a gold bracelet. Remember, add the word over there, money. I had been saving money. 5. His mother had been suffering from cancer for some time. Had been suffering. 6. She returned to the hotel where she had been staying with her husband. Had been staying. 7. I realized that I had taken the wrong file. Had taken. 8. I wrote that I had seen her at my friend's place. Had seen. 9. When I entered the shop, I found that he had been painting it all night. Had been painting. 10. It was reported that the police had captured the culprit. Had captured. 11. I have found the camera which I had lost. Had lost. 12. If I had not gone to Indore, I would not have met him. Had not gone. 13. He wished he had listened to his mother's advice. Had listened. 14. Sumit had not been typing since long. Had not been typing. 15. Anu went to the market after the rain had stopped. Had stopped. 16. They had been living in Mumbai for a year when their mother died. Had been living. 17. I had left for office before the courier arrived. Had left. 18. My sister had been playing piano since morning. Had been playing. Let us also go ahead to page number 55, self-study exercise 3. Filling the blanks with correct prepositions. Let us look at them briefly. Number 1. He put on the radio to listen to the news. Put on. Second, put by something for your old age, which we all must do. Put by means save for future use. 3. The rich should stand up for the poor. Stand up means support or defend. 4. His work stands out from others. Stands out means easily seen among various things or among others. 5. The lights suddenly went out. Went out. 6. Go away. I don't want to talk to you. 7. My car broke down on the highway. Broke down means became useless because of mechanical fault. 8. Terrorism has broken up a lot of families. Here broken up means came to an end. On account of terrorism, many families came to an end. 9. She backed out of the contract. Backed out of means withdrew from a promise or undertaking, etc. 10. He did not back up his staff during the inquiry. Backup means support. 11. He came down with the flu over the weekend. 12. I haven't come across him for a long time. Come across means find or meet by chance. 13. We should do away with our vices. Do away means abolish, put an end to, remove. 14. He could do with a cup of tea. Do with means need or manage. 15. The plan fell through for want of fund. Fell through means fail or came to nothing. 16. The quality of goods has fallen off or developed off. Fallen off means became less. 17. What time do your classes get over? 18. She found it difficult to get on with her office people. Get on means work in a living, in a sociable, friendly way. 19. The teacher handed out the list of books on the first day of class. Handed out means distributed. 20. When I arrived at the airport, I handed in my passport. Handed in means showed my passport. That's all for today. In the next class, let us do specimen paper 3 on page 57. Till then, have a good day.